Well, the one word, the one crisis that we are all hearing about and that has roiled equity markets, bond markets, commodity markets worldwide, even oil prices, etc., a lot of it has actually seen quite a bit of a risk-off, given the fact that everyone is talking about the Evergrande crisis. What is the Evergrande crisis? What has triggered it? What does the company do? What are the implications? What is the fallout? All of these things are something that we are looking at, and we are trying to give a quick explanation as to what exactly is happening as far as equity markets are concerned with the Evergrande crisis. Now, the Evergrande crisis actually is something that has spooked global markets and has actually led to a significant amount of correction amongst markets across the globe. Now, what is Evergrande? Evergrande is a debt-plagued Chinese property giant. The company currently has close to $300 billion in liabilities, and the debt obligations are something that are a bit of a concern, given the fact that the company at this point of time actually has a mismatch as far as being able to pay off most of its debt obligations are concerned. So Evergrande's debt obligations are due this week, and this is something that the company is finding tough to pay. Now, there has been a lot of reconciliatory noises made from Evergrande and the chairman. The chairman has said that they would walk out of this darkest history, and what they're saying is that he's also said that the company would be going ahead and delivering most of the property as far as buyers are concerned. Why are equity markets, why are markets worldwide worried? Because there has been no clear communication from the government in terms of what exactly this has happened, and a whole host of market participants, whole host of global financial majors have asked for some amount of clarity as to how exactly and if there would be any support forthcoming from the Chinese authorities to this particular Evergrande. Now, also what is happening is that Goldman Sachs has actually called for authorities to send a clearer message. The chairman has said he is confident walk out of the company's darkest moment. He's saying that they will deliver property projects as pledged. Where does this problem actually come? Problem is coming as far as the offshore syndicated loan market as well as the private deal financing is concerned. Investors at this point of time, what can you do? Watching the upcoming coupon payments as far as offshore bonds are concerned. A price action in other high beta B-rated developer bonds is also something that we need to keep an eye out for. What are the implications in case this continuous weakness persists in terms of how exactly the company would be looking at this particular crisis? How does China react and how do they do? It can actually have an implication as far as the global financial majors are concerned. In fact, few are calling it the Lehman moment, and Kotak Mahindra Bank chairman has actually said that this is China's IL&FS moment. So it's going to be interesting to see how exactly this pans out and whether there are quick, swift action taken.